Welcome to the Meendum Manjappai Kiosk, which has been set up on the beautiful Besant Nagar Beach. The reason that we have set up this center over here, this kiosk, is to spread information against plastic pollution and to also tell people to stop littering the beach. This center, come inside, as you can see, this center has lots of information against plastic pollution. You can come here and you can actually download our Meendum Manjappai app, which gives you all information as to where, what kind of an action is being taken against the plastic pollution. The center also has a vending machine where you can put in coins and rupees and you can get some eco-friendly Meendum Manjappai bags. The center also gives important information as to why it is important for us to stop littering our beaches, because as we know, as per the reports, by 2050 there will be more plastic in our oceans than fish if it is business as usual. So this center will actually be a kind of a nerve center where school children can come, they can learn about plastic pollution, and then and they can also create awareness about it. We have also started a green brigade come out, and as you can see, we have 6 e-bikes and our green warriors who will be going around the city, and we have 2 Manjappai vehicles. They will go around, zip past the city, and they will create awareness against plastic pollution.